Hey girl, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa V, and today I have a Boxy Luxe unboxing. You guys may have noticed that I'm here today showing all the skin, and I'm not even ashamed, even a little bit. This shirt is super cute. It's from Forever 21. It's not a Forever 21 haul, but I did want to show it off. I think it's fitting because we're in June and it's Pride Month and it doesn't have all the colors of the rainbow, but girl, she's there. And I am a firm believer that love is love. You do you, boo. You may have also noticed that your girl is getting tan. Got my son, got a tattoo right here. If you want to know more about this tattoo, make sure that you click the link in the description of this video to find out all about my tattoos. There's two. Okay, that being said, let's get right to it. This month's BoxyCharm was themed Getaway. Very cute. This is the first time I upgraded to a Boxy Luxe, so I'm very much going to be like giving you guys my opinion and letting you know how I feel about it and maybe if it was worth it or not. Because I will say that Boxy Luxe is an additional $28, so literally you're paying $50 for a box. So I'm going to go ahead and show you, we'll dive right in what I got. When I open the box, the first thing that I see is this black bag, and it says PYT on it. And I did see some of the, some of the sneak peeks. Oh, this is the mini blow dryer. And here's the diffuser. And if I take it out of this bubble wrap, look at that. It's a super cute baby blue blow dryer. Now, this is tiny. Look how little it is. It's really little. I have long, thick hair, so I don't really see this as being beneficial to me. Not only that, I think every girl has a blow dryer. Plus, tell me if I'm the only one that thinks like blow drying your hair is like back in early 2000s. Who blow dries their hair? Do people still blow dry their hair? I never blow dry my hair. That was the first product. The second product I see is this large bottle. This one for sure I know is only a Boxy Luxe product. And it's Living Hair Full Dry Volume Blast. I believe it's a dry shampoo. No, it's not a dry shampoo. At the bottom here it says styling and finishing spray, so I guess it's a hairspray. It says instant lasting volume and texture. This one, I didn't even tell you, the small blow dryer runs for $85 and this runs for $24. So let me know what you guys think. I don't know. I don't know about either one of those things being that price point. The next thing I see is this. Well, this. It's a hand and body butter. It says M Green Grass. Maybe that's the brand. No, Anderson Lily is the brand. And it's in the fragrance Summer and Nice. It smells pretty good, not too bad. It is filled to the very brim. And this runs for $24 as well. Oh, the Living Proof styling spray was actually $29. I mean, it does smell light and fragrancy. I don't really know what's the difference between a butter and a lotion, but I'm here for these because I do like them. I just honestly probably wouldn't pay $24 for this. This is something I wouldn't have, but I'll put it there and I will use it. All right, the next product I see is, let's see. This is No Problem Prime Essence. This is one from the regular BoxyCharm. That was the thing that I was kind of depressed now that I'm looking at this box. It's like the things that I really liked were in the regular BoxyCharm this month. So I kind of upgraded and I feel, candid response, I'm feeling a little gypped. So this is a Prime Essence. I think it's exactly that. I think like not too long ago we got a primer from them. I have a lot of stuff up here, so I really cannot see. There it is. There it is, baby. Yeah, not too long ago we got a no problem primer. So if this is the same thing, why are we getting it twice? Facts. Facts. Last time this wouldn't focus in my video either. I mean, guys, this is a neat, like, bottle though. Oh. Why am I doing this? Can y'all hear that? The product that did come out is kind of runny. It is kind of runny. Maybe if I shake it up. The pores of my hands don't seem to be any smaller. But I do love this clear cap. Yeah, it shakes. Very liquidy, but it's a cute container. I'd probably give it a try at least once. All right, the next product I see is also from the normal BoxyCharm. I believe I Can Fly. And that poor Touch and Soul thing was $23. Oh, this color's so cute. Look at that color. I'm already wearing lipstick, but look at that color. Look at that color. I want to look at the, it says lemonade, I guess is the color. I'm going to pull it out. I want to see the applicator. It's so satisfying when you open a new lip gloss. Okay, it's just a flat applicator. It's not the worst one. I've seen some that are still rounded. Like, who's still doing that in 2019? Get a new applicator. That's cute. My vibe this summer. I'm going to wear some of that. The next product I see is... We got this a while back in a lipstick, I believe. Maybe the same box as the other Porblum. Ooh, I like forget half the things I get because I leave them here on my vanity. Yeah, we got a Tarteist lipstick a while back. Now we're getting a Tarteist Good Vibes mascara. So, how do I open this? It says flip down, but it's like taped. Okay. Oh. It says flip down. Oh, look, an eyelash curler. It's all built in, guys. You flip this down, and then it works as an eyelash curler. Nice. That's actually kind of cool. But where's the mascara part? Okay, maybe I have to... Where's the mascara? How do I get in there? Oh, look. You have to twist the whole thing. It wasn't twisting though. This is a huge... Look how thick that is. Let me pull up... I don't have another mascara here, do I? But look, this is like a lip gloss. So look how thick this mascara tube is. It's pretty thick. And that's the applicator. Not bad. I actually can add a little bit. Let me add a little bit. How about that, girl? Test it out. One with, one without. What do you guys think? I like it. I like it a lot. The next product I have is from Pharmacy. I do like their products. I just found that I had this as well. And I haven't used all of their products, but I know that they did give me a cleanser to break down makeup, and I adored it. So why am I having a trouble? Look, literally just ripping it. Not friendly with these packages today. What is this? Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. It's a resurfacing night serum. Yes, queen. I want to try this. For sure. For sure. For sure. And that retails... Oh, the Tristique Good Vibes Mascara was $25. And the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is regular $58. So I'm hoping it works. I'm here for it. All right, the next product I see was for my regular BoxyCharm, and it. I have the contour kit, and now I have the blush kit. Yeah, yeah. Look how beautiful that is. I'm hoping that it's focusing. Beautiful. Now, oh yeah, I was gonna say they don't have the names on it, but they do on that. Why is it only on the top one? Literally. Ugh. This is so weird, guys. When I turn it a certain angle, I can see some of the names, like strobe. I wonder if they repackaged these. I wonder if that's like, and that says lit. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm gonna go grab my other one because I fucking bet that they just repackaged them. That's weird though. Why would they do that? So it just kind of looks like they repanned these blushes into an old glow kit. Is what it looks like, because the names are under there just very light, and you have to do it at a certain angle, because I just checked them with this. Overall, my Boxy Luxe, I don't know that I would do this again unless I knew for sure that I liked more of the products. I felt like this time they didn't do as many spoilers for the Boxy Luxe. For me, I don't know that I would have spent $28 extra if I knew what I was going to get. I do want to try this out and the serum, and I did like the mascara. So overall, it wasn't too bad. Let me know down below if you guys got a Boxy Luxe. What do you guys think about the products I got? What do you think about my tattoos? What do you think about my shirt? Till next time, bye!